to make network cable. Tools that are needed: cable tester, TP-Link wireless router, wire stripper, crimper, cable wire, and blast RJ45. Step 1. Stripping the cable. Make sure not to cut too deep or else will cut the wire. Step 2. Align the wire. Make sure to follow the straight through and the color code. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Step 3. Cut the wires. Make sure it is well straightened. Step 4. Putting the wires into the RJ45. Step 5. Use crimping tool to install a connector on the end of a cable. Then again, repeat the process at the other end of the cable. So the color code: white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. So step 6. Testing the cable on the cable testing. So the first side of crossover, you repeat the process of straight through cable. So the color code: white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. So in the next side, again repeat the process, but in the color code there is differences: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. And then do the process. Next, testing the cable if it is right or